How to reset Hisense Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Hisense Smart TV to factory settings. This is useful if your TV is acting slow, freezing, or you want to erase all your settings and apps. Important notice: resetting your TV will erase all personal data, apps, and settings. Make sure to back up anything important before proceeding. Step 1. Open Settings. Press the Settings button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate to System. Scroll down and select System or Device Preferences on some models. Step 3. Find Reset Options. Look for Reset or Reset to Factory Settings. Step 4. Confirm Reset. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm when prompted. Your TV will restart and begin the reset process. Step 5. Set up your TV again. Once reset is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Hisense TV as new. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more Hisense Smart TV tips and tutorials.